Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Reversal Fractals Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator automatically marks potential turning points on your charts by identifying fractal-based swing highs and lows. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, there we have it. The Reversal Fractals Indicator plots symbols directly above or below price bars where it detects a local high or low formed by a specific candle pattern. Bearish fractals usually appear above a candle cluster, marking a swing high where upward movement stalled, while bullish fractals appear below a cluster, marking a swing low where downward movement paused. As new bars form, these markers accumulate and create a clear visual map of recent turning points, showing how price has been oscillating between swings. This structure helps you see potential support and resistance zones, as well as the broader rhythm of the market without giving direct entry or exit instructions. As for the indicator settings, our input includes just the calculate on bar close. You can also customize the colors for the arrows so it fits in with your MT4 chart theme, and you can trade using your preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the Reversal Fractals Indicator is aimed at traders who rely on swing structure, support and resistance, and turning points as part of the analysis across any time frame. It is an analytical tool only and does not execute trades, and because fractals are confirmed only after surrounding bars close, signals are inherently delayed. In choppy markets, many fractals can appear that do not lead to meaningful reversals, so fractals should be combined with additional filters such as trend direction and key levels. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Reversal Fractals Indicator and other price action tools at the Forex Geek. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational contents.